Hello everyone and welcome to Aleph English. I am tall. Am I high? Today we will look at tall and high in English. Nelson's column in central London is 51.6 meters. On top of Nelson's column is Nelson. Nelson's column is tall, but Nelson is high. What about this chair? The cat wants to sit on it. Is the chair tall or high? Well, the legs are tall, but the chair is high. So in English, something is tall if it touches the ground. Please leave a like and subscribe to Aleph English for more videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, good luck.